Hi, my name is Sandro Esposito with SignalFIre. In this video, I'll be showing you how to unpack your Ranger for the very first time. You'll find the experience to be quite user-friendly and very easy. So you will first unbox the Ranger, and in it, you'll find a few things. You'll have the micro USB cable. You will have then a screwdriver to help you out with tightening up the screws and the terminals for your sensor. And then the Ranger. The Ranger, once you take it out of the box, you're going to first remove the cover. After that, you will identify where is the battery connector, right over here. And I want you to pay attention to also the LED lights on this side. The first step, quite simple, simply connect the battery. And pay attention to the lights as they will blink solid like this, indicating there is a positive connection with the cell tower. The next step, quite simple, you're simply going to move on to the web app to finalize the process of registering your Ranger to your cloud account. So why don't we move on to the web app right now and show what needs to be done. So after you have received your account setup and your username and password, go to the SignalFIre Cloud login page and proceed with logging in using your credentials. So type in your username and then you'll put in your password. When you successfully log into your account, part one of adding your Ranger to your cloud account is to click on Add Device. You will have located underneath the Ranger the serial number. The serial number starts with RA, so you type in the serial number of the Ranger and hit the claim button. This process may take up to 1 minute. Essentially what's going on right now, the web app is communicating with the Ranger, taking its credentials, and then adding this specific Ranger to your cloud account. When that is done successfully, then your Ranger will appear on the screen. Okay, now that your Ranger is fully connected to your cloud account, the next step is to actually wire up some sensors that you can watch in our other series of videos. Thank you.